Assalamu alaikum. Test Physics Class 9th. Tick the correct option. The SI unit of torque is Newton meter, Newton per meter, NS none of these. Centripetal force is directly proportional to. Complete the equation. T into K is equal 273 plus C, 273 plus F, 273 minus C minus 273 plus C. What is the equation for pressure? In gases, heat is mainly transferred by molecular collision, conduction, convection, radiation. The attractive forces between the molecules of solid are less weak, very strong, none of these. Is not a vector quantity, displacement, velocity, work, torque. How much acceleration is produced by a force of 100 Newton in mass of 50 kg? Which of the following is a vector quantity? Speed, distance, displacement, power. Value of G increases with the increase in mass of body, increase in altitude, decrease in altitude, none. Least count of meter rod is 1 millimeter, 0.1 millimeter, 0.01 millimeter, 1 centimeter. Which device of the following converts light into electrical energy? Electric bulb, electric generator, photocell, electric cell. Question number 2. Write short answers to any 5 questions. First, when a gun is fired, it recoils. Why? Define Newton's second law of motion and give equation. Define inertia. What is the function of screw gauge? How is it used? Differentiate between rotatory and random motion. Define distance and displacement. Differentiate between rotatory and vibratory motion. Define base quantities and give one example. Question number 3. Write short answers to any 5 questions. What is resultant of force? With what force an apply weighing 1 Newton attracts the earth? What is head to tail rule? Explain with example. Define power and write SI unit of power. Define work and write its equation. Write the value and unit of a gravitational constant G in SI units. Eight Newton force make an angle of 45 degree with x-axis. Represent it graphically. A machine does 4 joule of work in 2 seconds. Find its power. Question number 4. Write short answers to any 5 questions. What are Kelvin scale and Fahrenheit scale? Describe relation of radiation of heat and surface area. Define the rate of flow of heat and write its mathematical form. Write some important features of kinetic molecular model of matter. Define pressure and give its unit. Define temperature. Define thermal equilibrium. What is meant by gliding? Write long answer to any 2 questions. Question number 5. Part A. Define the following vector quantities: random motion, variable speed and deceleration. B part. A body of mass 5 kg is moving with a velocity of 10 meter per second. Find the force required to stop it in 2 seconds. Question number 6. Part A. Derive the equation of motion of artificial satellites. B part. Find the perpendicular components of a force of 50 Newton making an angle of 30 degree with x-axis. Question number 7. A part. What is meant by resolution of force? Resolution of force. Resolve a force F into its perpendicular components. B part. A polar satellite is launched at 850 km above Earth. Find its orbital speed. Thanks.